Now this is how you can hide the notification preview in Android. So let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you are first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So of course we get inside to the settings app, and in here we have a dedicated notifications menu. So we can proceed right here, and we are interested in the lock screen notifications, right? So you can tap there, and this is the place where you decide if the previews are going to be shown or not. So you either decide to show content or hide content. The point right now is that this applies to every single app and a notification. So obviously, if you want to hide it for every notification, just click on hide content and you don't really have to worry about it that much. However, you can as well switch to the show content, but decide specifically on an app by app basis whether the notifications are going to be shown or not. Because, there are different apps which show some sensitive content while others are generic and you don't really mind. So you can tap on the button right there and you can manage all of your apps right here. So those which you might want to turn off, like those messaging ones, are even at the top of the list. Like in my case, I have the messages, the WhatsApp, Discord. Those which I might be interested in turning off are at the top, and rest is sorted alphabetically. So you can decide that some apps are supposed to show previews in terms of notifications, while others are not allowed to do that. So that is generally the whole point behind it. I hope I was able to show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.